What up, Pokestars? Welcome back to the Pokepound. I'm Sundog Millionaire, and I want to give a special shout out to my friend and colleague Matt. Guys, check out his Twitch channel. I'll leave the link down below there. I want to say thank you so much, man, for going out of your way and buying me some new Pokemon cards to open up for all the viewers. I also want to give a huge shout out to all the healthcare workers that we work with day in, day out. Let's leave COVID-19 in 2019. So let's go open up some Pokemon cards, you guys. Let's go. Before I go on, you guys, make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends. So today, Matt got me some Darkness Ablaze, Rebel Clash, and I'll also have some more Japanese Dream League for you guys. So let's get this work done, boy. Empoleon, Timpole, Lillipup, Ralts, and Excadrill. Okay, one to the front, right? I don't know who this is. Bug-Eye Spider, sure. Oddish, Mimikyu. Oh wow, it's a nice Raichu. Oh wow, oh I accidentally saw something there. What is that? Oh jeez. We got Coughing, Empoleon. Ew. Coughing, and Magneton. Let's go. Clay, Weevil, Gloom, Drillbur, Torkoal. Wow, I got some Japanese packs. Oh my god. Let's get on with Darkness Ablaze, you guys. I know you guys are excited. I know you guys want to see that Charizard VMAX get pulled. I'll give you guys the code card now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Leaf Energy, Rose, Simipour, Lunatone, Feebas, Passimian, Fletchling, Wimpod, Grimer, Dedenne, Beartic. Let's go. Darkness Ablaze. There you go, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Electric Energy, Simisage, Simipour, Corvisquire, Skitty, Dino, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Clink, Pansage Reverse Hollow, and boom! Oh, Arctozolt again, dude! Oh, man! I can't believe we just got that again, bro. Let's go, though. More Darkness Ablaze. Here's your code card, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was that 4? Oh, jeez. Got. What the? Did I mess this up? Oh, man, this is the rare. I messed it up, dude. Whatever. Glimwood Tangle, Lyron, Simipour, Snubble, Tauros, Rookie D, Galarian Mr. Mime, Electrike, Reverse Hollow Poltergeist. And yeah, that was our energy. Oopsie, I messed that up. Rebel Clash, boy. All right. There you go, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fire Energy, Kershovel, Phalanx, Palpitoad, Milcery, Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Meowth, Caterpie, Galarian Corsola, Reverse Hollow Medicham, and boom! Woo! That's our first one today, boy! Pinnerkin! E-card Ultra Rare. Let's go, boy! Let's put that into our sleeve. Oh, boy! Yes, sir! Oh, geez. I have nowhere to put it. Pin her chin, boy. Let's go more Rebel Clash. There you go, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Psychic Energy, Heatmore, Morpeko, Scoop Up Net, Vullaby, Galarian Corsola, Toxel, Galarian Mr. Mime, Snover, Reverse Hollow Magmar, and Galarian What the? Oh my god. You know what? I'm just not even gonna say that. We got our last Rebel Clash pack. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Fighting Energy. Beware. Palisand. Training Court. Timpole. Garbage. Heliopipitile. Honedge. Litwick. Reverse Hollow Diggersby. And Aegislash. Okay. Matt, thank you so much for getting me these cards, man. It holds so much sentimental value, and thank you for supporting me. So you guys, I want to get right into these bonus cards. Some Vivid Voltage. I got them from some blister packs, and let's go for the Chunky Chew. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Lightning Energy, Ferrothorn, Dusclops, Rocky Helmet, Voltorb, Rockruff, Halo, Yanma, Wooper.
What a pull! What a pack! You're pulling a pack, bro! Dude, that's crazy! Oh my god! Matt, I think you are the good luck charm. Wow! Holy smokes! You guys didn't expect this from some bonus packs, hey? Damn, bro! I gotta put some sleeves on those. Oh my goodness, let's go into this Vivid Voltage pack. Oh my god, that is crazy! Oh, I can't believe that just happened. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? We got Dark Energy, Aromatic Energy, Hero's Metal, Hitmontop, Rockruff, Whismur, Trubbish, Tynamo, Clobbopus, Reverse Hollow Nuzleaf, and boom! Metagross Regular Rare.